So what's up? I got some big plans in the works behind me, but I'm short on parts for about a week. So here's a quick video. I have a big problem, and it's called my eyes. These things suck. You're always getting stuff in them, like dust, the sun, tiny red hot pieces of metal that come flying off the angle grinder, going right up under your goggles and into your eyes. That is what we're trying to fix. I've tried several goggles in my life. All of them have failed in one way or another, sending me to the urgent care. So it's about time that I made my own. I started by getting a 3D scan of my face. Normally this would have cost thousands and thousands of dollars, but thankfully the Digital Scholarship Lab at MSU helped me out. Once I had this guy here, I started designing the goggles so I can take a negative of them on my face in Blender. This is where I ran into some big issues. For some reason, and I might just be a moron, when I go from Fusion to Blender, it loses its original dimensions, and from the Blender to the slicer, it loses its dimensions again. This resulted in lots of time and resources wasted. But after tons of trial and error, I finally got a product that fit my face perfectly. So that's just about it. With these goggles, I can make them as strong or as modular as I want, depending on what I print them out of. I've also got the capability to add other lenses from previous goggles, along with other lenses for welding. That's all I've got. See ya.